All right, boys, what is going on? Uh, as you can see by the title, I blew my all my evals this week. And the goal of this channel is to be very transparent with the process of the journey. And this week, I blew my evals. This is the first time I did a FOMO trade. I traded emotionally on what was that Thursday. I missed I was just so not even mad. So Monday, I missed a trade. I missed a 30-second IFEG after super low in the 15 minute, and I didn't even see it. So I was mad about that, or I wasn't mad at first. I was just like, okay, I missed a trade. We sent all the way to the previous day highs, and then the move. There was just nothing after that. No retraces, no nothing. We just kept launching. Then Tuesday, I missed the move again. I was trying to short when we just tapped into a 4 hour low, and we got a 5 minute inverse, but for some reason I was trying to short. It was a pretty big displacement candle, and I was still looking for shorts like an idiot. That day I did have a little brain fog. So yeah, I woke up late. I had a little bit of brain fog, and I was not trading to my best ability that day. Um, I was trying to short in the long, missed the 5 minute inverse again, just like the day before. Sent immediately to draws above, missed an entry, couldn't get a retrace. And then the last day, which really like set it off, I we just started dumping this Friday. Let me show you guys. We started dumping on Friday. I just started my Notion journal to trade a little better. Emotion market. This is a keep better track. I was using a private Discord server before. I think this would be way better. But yeah, as you see, FOMO. Uh, we started displacing lower, and I got that fear that I missed. Like, it all stemmed from those 2 days I missed. I was like, no, I'm gonna miss again. I'm gonna miss a play again. We swept this liquidity over here. Inverse. I'm gonna miss it. And then I take the 1 minute inverse. I go to the 2 minute. We didn't even inverse it. And I was like, wait a minute. This trade was horrible. Like, why did I take that? Like, that's the worst trade ever. There's no structure. Uh, we swept this, but we got so much displacement down. Like, wasn't worth it. No, not many clear draws above. It was just a very sloppy and gross trade, and this is what the that's what ended up happening. I thought we were gonna get a reversal here at this 4 hour intermediate low, but we had no structure up. It was just like a 30-second inverse, and we didn't even finish inversing the 2 minute, which is why I trade sweeping or reversing the highest time frame inversion. And that fear, I've never had like FOMO just overwhelm me like that before, and I was just like, dude, it crushed me. That trade was horrible. And after that, I was just like, bro, I suck. I missed the move twice, and I couldn't believe it. And after that, I was like, I will never. The biggest thing is, I will never let FOMO uh, met. I will never let FOMO take control of me like that again. Like, it's okay to feel it, but you cannot act on it, and that's what I learned this week. Um, but the next day, I'll show you guys. I made sure I looked at the notes. We had it before, and I was like, look at this. There's no trades here. It's very sloppy price action. We're just barcoding, even off rip. And I just sat there. I looked. Really, the only play we had was to these DA lows, but I didn't even want to take it because it's low probability. Even though it was okay, but I just didn't want to trade in this price action. Very sloppy. The only trade we got was after 11, which would break my rules, so I didn't take it. And very proud of myself. I want, as I build up more data, more trades, I want the emotions to stay clear minded and steady. I do not want to see red in the emotion tab. And yeah, that's just a summary of this video. I blew all my evals. I had two. Another thing was the drawdown. Like I found a lucid trailing drawdown. So I was one. I was trying to pass in two. Uh, Won the first trade. Lost the second. I had 600 in drawdown, and also I just really wanted to take a trade to get more, get a bigger drawdown. And that just all everything combined. I felt every emotion, and I just wanted to trade. I can't let that emotion take control of me. I need structure. I need to trade like how I am in backtesting. I'm profitable in backtesting. I can be profitable in the markets. I just cannot let emotions get the better of me and trade on good trades. So yeah, that's this video. I'm gonna try again next week. Clear-minded, clear accounts. And yeah, I need to stop being so focused on the outcome and put a lot more effort on the input than the outcome. And yeah, I mean that's the whole point of this channel: reflecting, learning, growing. And I'm excited to document this journey. So thanks everyone. I mean nobody's watching this. It has 0 views. So thanks guys. They're to my future self. I'll make these videos for. Yeah. Peace.